Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Pinterest for affiliate traffic and product pins, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open the App Store on your mobile device. For iOS users, this is the Apple App Store. For Android users, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Pinterest. Select the Pinterest app from the list of results. Tap on the download or install button. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Once installed, open the Pinterest app. You will be prompted to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. For new users, select the option to sign up. Follow the prompts to create your account. After logging in, it's time to set up your profile. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Add a profile picture, bio, and link to your website if applicable. Next, start creating boards to organize your content. Tap on the plus icon to create a new board. Give your board a descriptive name relevant to your niche. Now, it's time to add product pins. Search for products that fit your niche on Pinterest. Once you find a product you want to promote, click on it. Copy the link to the product page. Return to your profile and click on the plus icon again. This time, select the option to create a new pin. Paste the product link in the designated field. Add an engaging image and a catchy description. Utilize keywords relevant to your audience and niche in your description. Select a board for your pin to be saved to. Finally, click on Publish to make your pin live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.